Alicia, what are you going to do?
Pancake.
Pancake. What you need for pancake?
We need some sugar, we need some baking powder, we need some olive, and we need some milk, and we need some flour, and we need a bit of egg, and we need this in spoon and a plate.
Okay, start doing, Alicia.
What we need.
Break your egg.
I could practice, Mama.
Mm-hmm.
How do you break it?
Try again.
Yes.
Okay, well done, Alicia.
Now,
Well done. And Alicia, put 1 spoon of sugar. Oh, let me help you.
could I do it? I know.
Yeah.
Could I do it? Let me do it. A little.
A little bit more, little bit.
Enough?
Okay, enough. Yeah. Alicia, where you learn to make pancake? In school? Huh?
But we didn't bake it.
But you make, yeah? You make pancake, but you didn't bake, yeah? Yeah,
We
okay.
made just that.
So, and today Alicia is going to do at home for us pancake, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you very much.
And what is next?
Mix very well, Alicia.
It's liquid, see? It's liquid. Could I do it?
Yeah, little bit of baking powder.
And drop it into the mix.
Yeah, mix now.
I remember that I did in my school.
Yeah, good girl, good girl. Alicia is very good in cooking.
And now what else?
Now milk, Alicia.
Milk.
Yes, we need 1 glass of milk.
And oops. I just dropped it accidentally.
It's okay now.
Dropped it down.
Okay, mix now.
Could you clean it? I'm not cleaning it.
Clean yourself.
Now,
Okay, good girl.
now we're sing some.
Carefully mix, yeah. Okay.
Next.
Now you can put 2 tablespoons of olive oil.
Yeah.
1 and 2. Mix now. Okay. Now flour, Alicia, and finish. Put flour.
This is a big and now we almost have a pancake.
Yeah, almost.
Because you need milk to make it softer.
Yeah, you are very clever.
And also with like
Now you need to mix, Alicia. It's tasty. Yummy, yummy. Good girl.
and if you think it's ready, you can leave it.
So now, what we use for pancake? Can you tell? 1 egg,
One egg.
1.5 glasses of flour, 1.5 glasses milk, 2 spoons of olive oil, 1 spoon of sugar, and little bit of baking powder. So now we need to mix very well and leave for half an hour. Let mixture relax a little bit. And then we start baking.
What do you have to do?
So now we need to finish mixing very well. Let me help.
What he did?
Little. Let's see. So this kind of consistency you have to receive. So now, in half an hour we can start making pancakes. That looks good.
I hope you enjoyed to look at the fiesta. We'll show you how to do pancake after.
Oh, okay. And now we can start doing pancake, Alice. In the beginning we need to warm up our fry pan.
This is our fun pan.
Yeah, now we are warming up. This is fry pan for making pancakes. We grease fry pan with oil. Just olive oil or any oil, doesn't matter. When fry pan will be ready, hot enough, we can start doing pancakes. See what kind of consistency have to be. Not too liquid and not too thick. This is the right consistency.
It's a liquid.
It's not too liquid. So we take not full, very full spoon and we drop in our fry pan.
No, I want to drop it. I want to do it.
Okay. You do.
Well,
Okay.
why you do like that, Mama?
Because we need to spread a little. So next pancake. We mix before. Each time we need to mix our mixture. And we drop here. Spread evenly. And wait a few minutes. And then turn upside down. And pancake is ready. Alice make pancake and now she is ready to eat. What are you doing, Alice? Do you like pancake with Nutella? Okay, she is busy now.
And bye-bye, see you soon.
Bye bye, see you soon.